Fourth quarter is where we want it. Josh Hart. Yes, sir. Fourth quarter is where we want it. 19-0 run. Fourth quarter is where we want it. Totally different game in the fourth quarter. Excellent. You see it? Offense, defense, fast breaks. That's what we can do. You got Josh on the right. Let's go. Come on. Barrage. 21 straight. They called a timeout already. You can't call another timeout. Sheesh. Some offensive firepower for the Knicks. Love it. Still 4 minutes left, but hey, listen. We look like we got him, right?